Now I'm going to tell about what is file input output device. And this chapter covers all the basic of input output functions available in Python 3, and the more functions please refer to the standard Python documentations. This simplest way to produce the output is using the print statement, where you can pass the 0 or more expressions separated by the colon, and this function is convert the expression you pass into the string and write the result. Standard output as print. Python is a really great language. As the procedure following result on its standard screen. Python is a really great language. Is it reading keyboard input? We are basically in this chapter we are basically defining the input output functions, how to remove the data, how to insert the files, how to close the file. There are lots of functions we are going to discuss. We are discuss here. The first is the reading keyboard input. Python 2 has to build up functions to read the data from the standard input, and which by default comes from the keyboard. These function input and raw input. In Python 3, the raw input and function is the depressed or movable input functions and read data from the keyboard as a string, respectively. It is enclosed with quotes, single quotes or double quotes. Read the data or not. The input functions promote the function is equivalent to raw input. Expect that it is assumed that the input is a valid Python expressions and the returned evaluated result to you. The input x is equal to input something and something maybe 10 x 10. The string something is something 10 and enter data string without data. Opening and closing file. Until now you have been reading and writing this standard input and output. Now we will see how to see actual data files. Python provides basic function and method necessary for the manipulate the file by default, and you can do most of the file manipulating using the file object, and there is lots of things we are going to discuss. And the Python having the first function is open function, and before you can read or write file you have to open it using Python built-in open functions. The function create the file object and which would be utilized to call other supports method associated with it. The file object is equal to open file name, access the mode, buffering, जो buffer करना. Here the parameter the file name is the argument, is a string value that contain the name the file that you want to access. If you have the lots of file name like like the file name like access file name like xy file name, if you want to access the xy file name, and you should write the name of xy file name argument. And access mode, the access mode is determine the mode of in which file has to be the open, is read, write, append, etc. And a complete list of the possible value is given below in table. This is the optional parameter and default, while the faxes read are buffering is the buffering value is set to 0 and no buffering take a place. If the buffering is value is 1, line buffering is performed while the accessing a file. And if you specify the buffering values and integer greater than 1, the buffering action is performed with the indicate the buffer size. If negative, the buffer size is system default behavior. Here is a list of the different modes of opening the file. If you are going to open the R file, the open file for reading only, and the file point is placed the beginning of the file, and this is the default mode. If you are if you have the name if you have the name of file is r.xyz या .py या .o, ऐसे फाइल का नाम अगर आपके पास है, इसका मतलब you just want to read, and this file type is want to read type of file, means only you read the file. You are not you are not able to add and read any data files on that. RB is the open file and reading only the binary format, and the file pointer is placed at the beginning of the file. This is the default mode. It means कि if you are put the RB file in starting of the file format, and you have to place the beginning of the file, and this is mean the default mode. And R plus is the opener file for the both reading and writing. The file pointer place at the beginning of the file, and just point of the writing the something on that files. And you have to be you have to be very careful to put the symbol of starting the file name, because if you put the r and if you put the rv and if you put the r plus, it means there is a values, there is a meaning of that words and that sentences. So you be very careful to submit open the files and save the file using the this type of symbols and name. The RV plus open the file, both reading and writing is binary format, and the file pointer placed at the beginning of the files, and W is the open file to writing only, and overwrite is overwrites the file if the file exists. If the file does not exist, create a new file for the writing. If you are using the W, it means only for writing. If you are using R, it means only for reading. But if you are the RB and R plus and RB plus, it means there is a format of binary plus binary format, and binary format in which there is argument and sentences. So when you are using the W plus, open the file and both writing and reading and overwrites the existing file. If the file exists, the file does not exist, and create a new file for the reading and writing. And after that I will discuss about the WB plus. Open a file for both writing and reading and binary format, and otherwise the existing file if the file exists. If the file does not exist, create a new file for the reading and writing. It means ki if you want to save the file WP plus, it means ki this file able to read and write on you are able to perform the operation on read and write on that format, that binary format. And override existing means there is a file already exists in the database, but if you want to do exist if you want to save that file, this type of kind of file, you may create a new name, and then write and read the name. The open a file for the appending, and this pointer is that the end of the file exists, and that is the file is append of mode. If the file does not exist, it is create a new file for the writing. Only for using the writing word is if you are using the a file for appending, it means you just want to writing something on that folders and then files. AB open a file for the appending is binary format, and the file pointer is the end of the file exists, that is the file is that append mode. And if the file does not exist, it create a new file for writing. A plus open a file for the both appending and reading, and the file pointer is that the end of the file. If the file is exists, the file open is append mode, and if the file does not exist, it create a new file for reading the writing. These are the very important point for examination point of view. If you want to write the something like that, it means ki if in your examination if asking the which kind of files which kind of functions open, which kind of open function is used in file, so you have the option to write to do the something like that. So if you are put the R and RB and R plus and RB plus and WWB, it means you are just describe the meaning of R and RB and R plus. So you should just learn only 3 and 4 element. You are not read the 1 to 3 and up to 10 elements. So if you are you learn the 4 to 5 functions, I think this is a very sufficient for you. So you are able to write the description of also that. And after that I am going to discuss about the file object attribute. Now once file is open and you have the on file object, and you can get the various information to define that. Here is a list of the attribute entered the file object. The file closed, the return true if the file is closed, the false otherwise. It means ki if once your file is open and you have one file object, you can get the various information for the file. And here's a list of the attribute related to the file object. It means ki if what is mean of attribute? Attribute means we are talking about the property of that entity. The entity may be object in the means ki real word object that are exist in the word. So we are going to write a name of the file like x dot y w like var, and your file close, file boot and file name. There's three attribute basically used in file functions. First is a file close and return the true files close as false otherwise. If there is a file text, and then you get a output, and after that you, if there is no file to close, then you are automatic the out of that functions. File mode is return the access mode with the which the file was opened, and the file name is return the name of the file. So here is an example. I am going to explain how to work the files open an object attribute. The first is open a file. You using the hash function, because hash is basically denote the comments line, and comments line we are not going to execute in the program box. So fo is the open for text.wv. wv matlab we are going to write, and wb, what is wb meaning? wb matlab open a file for writing only binary format, and otherwise the file, if the file is exist, if the file does not exist, create a new file. But if you want to create a new file, this means you are using wb. If you want to write something on that similar file, you are using wb. Print file name and file w to explain wb, and print the print name of the file and the fo name, and print the close or not fo closed, print opening mode fo mode, and file close. The procedure following result: name of the file is full text, the close or not false, ओपनिंग मोड wb मतलब राइटिंग एंड रीड. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल चाहिए फाइल का. Then next is the close method. The close method of the file object is the fluence any the unwriting informations and close the file object, after which no more the writing can be done. So Python actually does the file, the reference of object and file is assigned to be another file. It is a good practice to use a close method to close file. Open a file for open the for to wt and print name of file and for name. What is fo? Fo is a file name. Open, we want to open the file text wv and writing the writing on the text and print the name of the file fo name. Close, open the file fo close. The produce the following result. Name of the file is fo.text. You want to open the file with name, then you should write the name of file. If you're using the close function, it means you want to close that functions with file name. Reading and writing file, the file object, I think you note down this example because it's very important examples. It's very clear that I'm give a I'm give a 1-2 minutes to please note down. It is very important. So the close method of file object influence any unwritten information and close the file object, after which is no more writing can be done. If you write something in file and you are using the close function, means you are not able to write anything on that file. I think you've done it. The right method, write any string to an open file. It is important to note that Python string can be binary data and not just a text. The right method does not add a new line character to end of the string. The file object dot write a string. Open a file fo, open the for text w. You means w is denote that the right methods. You are using the only right methods on that functions, and to write the Python is a great language. Yeah, it is great language. And if you're using the next line, new line, using the new characters, your symbol is new line character. And opening closing uh, method will be created to food.txt file, and we write to give a content in the file, and finally it would be close that file. If you would open this file, it would be have not the following content. The Python is a great language, and yeah, it is great. So if you want to write this type of line using the functions, you able to write the first file name, and after that you print the line. Next is read method. The read method read the string from the open file, and it is important to note that the Python string can be binary data. Data is a part of the text data, and sentence is here the pass the parameter and the number of bytes they read from the open file, and this is the method start of the reading from the beginning and the file of the end. It count the missing, and then there is read to much possible, maybe until it's in the file. If you're using the if you're going to use the object file object name and write count name, so basically this method are using to open the read the existing file. And if you are not read that file, you just using the close functions, and I'm going to use the read method. So you have examples of the read methods of file, like file open a file name, and fos open the full text, and all plus and start full read name, and print the read string, and start and close open file of fos. The purpose of the following result is the read string of Python is I think display the message on the screen. The file position, the till the method tells you that the current options within the file. In the word, that next read to write or occur at that many bytes from the beginning of the file. The seek offset from the method change the current file position, and the offset argument they indicate the number of bytes to be moved, and the form of argument specific and reference positions from where the bytes are to be moved. If from the set is 0, and the beginning of the file is used to be refer the positions, and if it is set of 1, the current position is used to be different positions. If it is set to the current into position file, we would like to take a reference positions. Let's see the example. First open file, fo file name, open file, the full text, and r plus method perform the read operations. String from the read, and print the read string. Check current position of the f style, and print the current file positions. Reposition the pointer at the beginning of once again the position of the seek is 0, 0, and start root the 10. Again registering the str, and close the open file. This procedure following the result, read the string is Python, current file is 10, again read the string is Python else. So if you want to reposition of your elements using the file position method or tel position methods, remaining and deleting the file, the Python OS module provide the method that help you to perform the file processing operations, such as remaining and deleting the file. To use this module, you need to be import the first, and you can tell the related functions. So if you are using the OS module, it means that you just want to rename or deleting the files. First is the rename methods. The rename methods take a two argument, the current file name and new file name. We'll start rename the current file name and new file name. This is the file name and we just want to rename our current file name. Rename a file from the text1.txt and text2.txt. The OS rename the text1.txt and text2.txt. You can use the remove method to delete the file by supplying the name of the files to be deleted as argument. Next is directories in Python. The all files are contained within the various directories, and Python has no problem to handling these two. The OS module has several methods that help you create, remove, and change the directory. The mkdir method is you can use the mkdir method for the OS module and to create a directories as the current directories, and you need to supply argument to this method which contain the name and the directory to be created. The chidr method is you can use the chidr method to change the current directory, and the chidr method take a argument which is name of the directory that you want to make a current directory. Next is get cwd method, and get cwd method is a display the current working directory. The method is read this directory which is passed and augment in the method before removing a directory. All the content is included to be removed. The middle methods read the 50 file which is passed in augmented method before removing the directory. All the content should be removed, and following is the example to remove the temp test directory, and is required to give a fully qualified name of the directory, otherwise it would be searched that directory having current directory. file and directory related method. There are the three important sources which provide wide range of utility method to handle and manipulate the file directories. On Windows and Unix operating system, they are the follow: file object method. The file object method, file object provide the function to be manipulate the file and provide the method to process file as well as directories. First is file method. A file object is created using the open functions, and here is a list of the function which can be called on the object. First function is file close. So close the file, and close the file cannot be read or write anymore. File dot flush function. The flush is the internal buffer, like the studio for flush. This may be no op or no some file like object. The file name. The return the integer file description that is used by the underlining the implementations. It requires the input output operation from the operating system. File history, return the true and files according to the petty like device and response. Return the next line from the file each time it is being called. There are lots of functions. I think you should write down a function name and descriptions. Run the file in current creations. Truncate the file size, and if the option size is augment is present, the file is truncate. The file close method description. The method file close is the open file, and the closed file cannot be read and write anymore. Which require that the file has been opened will raise the value error after the file has been closed. Calling close more than once allow. Python automatically close the file when the reference object as a file assigning to another file. It is a good practice to use the close method to close the file. Then file flush method. The flush includes some internal buffer like studio.flush. It may be no pop-up sum like object. Python automatically flush the file and close them, but you may want to flush the data from the closing file. There is example. Method does not return the value. The following examples show the use of flush method. Open a file. There is a FO is file name, and open the file. The print name of the file, FO name, and here it does nothing, but you can call it with read operations. The method is file and return the integer description that used by the underlining the implementation of request input output operation from the operating system. So there is syntax a file object dot file new and return the method return the integer file description. Example: open a file FO and open the footex WP and print the name of the first FO name and FO file name and print the file descriptions. File close open file. When we run the above program, it produces the following result. Name of the file is footex and file description is free. The file history method, the method history is returned true if the file is connected, is associated with a terminal device, like device else false. Following syntax, the file object dot str and it return value. The method return the true if the file is connected and associated with a terminal device. It is like a TATI like device else false. In the following example, पहला first time we open the file, FO open that for WP and print the name of the file, FO name. Return the FO TSC functions and print the return values let close open file and for close. When we run the above program, it produces the following result: name of the file FO text and return the value false. File next method, the file object is a Python 3, does not support the next method. Python 3 has a built-in functions. Next, we should retrieve the next in item from the iterator by the calling it is next method. If default is given, it is the return, it is exhausted, otherwise stop iterations and is erased. The method can be used to read the next input line from the file object. This is the syntax of next method. This is an example of assigning the full text file and containing the line of C, C++, Java, Python and PHP. And description of the object Python is support the next method. Python 3 has the built-in functions. Here is the syntax and there is a two parameter iterator and default. File object from which line are to be read. जिस लाइन को चाहते हो पावर रीड का आना उसमें इटरेशन हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. डिफ़ॉल्ट में रिटर्न इफ इटरेशन इज एग्जॉस्टेड इफ डज नॉट गिव अ स्टॉप इटरेशन इज रेस्ड. अगर आप चाहते हो डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू तो आपका डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू भी आ सकता है. रिटर्न द रिटर्न मैथड इज द नेक्स्ट इनपुट लाइन. देयर इज एग्जांपल assuming that the food text contain the following lines: C++, Java, Python, PHP. FO is open food text of R root करना है मुझे only and print the name of the file FO name. For index of the range is 5. Why is 5? Because there is a 5 element, so index of range is 5. Line is equal to next FO and print the line of string index line. Then close the file and FO is close file. When we return the program, it is produce the following result. Line number 0 is C++ and line number 1 Java, Python and PHP. Uh, 0 to 4 is the indexing number and Python is having defaulting index number 0. The method is read the move size byte from the file. If the read hits EFO file and obtaining the size bytes, then it will read only the available bytes. Following the syntax, file object dot resource size, and this is the number of bytes to be read from the file. Return value, the method return the bytes to read the string. There is example. I am going to use the R plus functions. FO is the file name. Open the function and open the file foo text and print the name of the file is foo name. Line is foo read of 10 and print the read line of percentage line. Close the open file and FO is close. Name of the file is to text and read the line. This is the line. The file routing method. The method routing the read one entry line from the line file. Reading the new line character is kept in the string, and if the size argument is present and non-negative, it is a maximum byte count including the trailing new line, and the incomplete line may be returned. The empty string is returned only when the EFO is encountered by immediately. There is an example. And next is the file readline method. The method is readline read the until the EFO using the readline and return the list of containing the line. If the optional size hint document is present instead of the read of PFO, whole line totaling the approximately size hint by the possible after the rounding the internal buffer size is read. Any empty is reading turn on when the EFO is counted immediately. दिस इज़ द नंबर ऑफ बाइट्स टू बी रीड फ्रॉम द फाइल. आपको जब बाइट्स रीड कराना हो फाइल का तो आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. बाइट्स इन द सेंस कि यू आर जस्ट रीड द एलिमेंट, हाउ मैनी एलिमेंट एंड हाउ मैनी बाइट्स कवर फ्रॉम दैट सेंटेंस इज एन एलिमेंट. So you are using the size hint. Examples: assuming the file is full text file contain the following text. There is a following text: first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. ओपन अ फाइल. मैंने ओपन किया पहले फाइल को, ठीक है. फुल टेक्स्ट डॉट आर प्लस से प्रिंट द नेम ऑफ द फाइल, ठीक है. लाइन द एफ रीड नेम किया, प्रिंट द रीड लाइन किया, लाइन एफ रीड लाइन किया, एंड प्रिंट द रीड लाइन ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन किया, एंड क्लोज ओपन फाइल, ऑल्सो क्लोज. When we run our program, it produces the following result: read line A, first, second, third, fourth line. रीड लाइन फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन, फोर्थ लाइन, फिफ्थ लाइन. जितने भी आपकी लाइन्स होगा उसको रीड करेगा. जितने भी लाइन्स सेंटेंसेस जितने भी आपकी फाइल में कंटेंट होंगे उन सबको रीड करके आपको आउटपुट दे देगा. अब इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग द पैराग्राफ कंटेंट, इफ यूजिंग द sentences, group of sentences and words and lines, so you get a output like that. File seek method description. The file seek method, this method see the file of current position of the offset, and when the argument is optional and default is 0, and when means the absolute the file of position, otherwise the value of which in the seek means of retrieve the current position to be. So if you are using the seek method, and I think you get a answer like that ki if you are using this syntax, you are using the two parameters, and offset and venice. And offset is like a read and write operations on perform that file, and when is the option of the default 0, which is means the absolute file positions. One which means seek the relative the current position, and second means seek the relative the first files in. The method does not return the any value. They are not return the any value. They are just first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Open the file, and the file read line, print the read line or percentage line, and again set the pointer to the beginning. Close open file. Next is file tell method. The method tell return the current positions of the file, read write pointer, and within the file. Following the sentence of tell methods. The tell method is the current position of the file, read write pointer, and within the file. Following syntax of tell method, the file object dot tell method. File object means your file name. The example of open file to the extent name of the file is FO name. The line of F is reading line, and print the read line. The print the current position of .pos. The closed open file. When we run the web program, it is produce the following result. File truncate method descriptions. The method of truncate return the file size. If the optional size argument is present, the file is truncate to at most that size. The size default to the current positions, and the current file position is not a change. Note that if a specified size exceeds the file current size, the result is platform is dependent. This method will not work in the case the file is open in read-only mode. If this optional augment is present, the file is truncate at the most at the size. The method does not return any values. There is a file, assume that footext.name fail while, and there is a content that this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth and fifth line. And if I am going to apply the truncate method on that file, so we get a output like that, and we get a program like that. FO open, FO to say rotless. Print name of the file is FO name, and the line of our read line percent name line, and for truncate the line is for read line, and print the read line of line. Close open file. For close. Name of the file full text. The read line of this is line, and read line is square bracket. File write method. The method of write a string str to the file, and there is a no return values due to buffering, and the string may not actually show up the file until the flush or close method is called. Following the syntax. String, this is string to be written in the file. Write a line at the end of the file. Next is this is example. I think you clear that. The print name, the file name, print the name of the file, FO name, and string. This is 6 line. For 602 and line of 0, write string. Now 6001 and the interface is range is 6. Line next is F4 and the print the line of the strings line and close the pin file. The line is 0 is this first line, second line, third line, fourth and fifth line. And the name of the line is F4 text. Line 5th, this is the 6th line, because we are going to print the this is the 6th line. Write lines, write the sequence of the string of the file. The sequence can be a readable object producing the string, typically a list of a string. There is no return values. The sequence of a string. This method does not return any values. This is an example of file. And file read write mode. Print name of the file name, and sequence of this 6th line and this is 7th line. Write the sequence of line at the end of the file. Now read the complete file from beginning. Close the pin file. Here is a program using the seek functions and range function. OS file directory method देख लेते हैं हम. नेक्स्ट आपका OS file directory method है. OS module provide the OS operating system. OS module provide the big range of useful method to manipulate the files and directories. Most the useful methods are listed here. OS.access path mode use the real root and git of the test for the access to the path. OS schedule path मतलब change the current working directory to the path. OS schedule path flag, show the flag of path number numeric tags. OS submit path and mode and change the mode of the path to numeric mode. Change the owner and group ID path of the numeric UDID GID. Change the root directory of the current path through. And close the file description of FD and close the file description from the FD flow. Return a duplicate file and descriptions. Duplicate file descriptions, the closing the letter first if necessary. Change the current working directory to the directory represented by the file descriptions. Change the mode of the file given by the FD of the numeric mode. Then the information about the file system containing the file associated with the file description. Focus cite a file with the finger script. There's lots of the file name in the Python, so using the sum of this. Next, OS access method. What is OS access method? Method access use the real usual git test of the access path, and most of the operations will use the effective UID and git. Therefore, this routine can be used to install a git environment. To test the following, invoke the user the specified access to the path if the return to the access is allowed. False is not. Path, this is the path which is would be tested for the existence of the access. Mode, this should be for OK test of existing the path, and it can be inclusive the or and one of the mode ROK, WOK and XOK test permissions. FOK is the value of the path and the mode parameter is access to test the existence of the path. Or OK value of the include the mode of parameter access to be test of the readability path. WOK value the include the mode of parameter access to the test of the writability path. And XOK is the value of include the mode of parameter access to determine the path can be executed. The return values is method return the if access allowed, the false is not.